Hello everyone, today I will show you how to strike through or cross out text in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this strike through icon. Click here and this right side where you will find this arrow. Open this strike through properties as its proper color now showing here, and firstly drag your text as this text now cross out, and also you can change this cross out text color. Also you can add your custom color if you want, and see this, and this cross out, change color. Also you can change this color transparency and modify, increase, decrease this cross out. Yeah, in this way you can strike through and cross out text on your PDF file, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.